We are in Murang'A County, some deep jungles. See this? Yeah, some jungles of Murang'A County. And we are heading to a place called Murang'A Gorges. Murang'A Gorges, a very beautiful landscape. Let's see how these things are going to look like. Come on, let's go. This is where I was coming to. Come on, come on. This is where I was coming to. This is incredibly beautiful. Google Map is telling me that I have 1.4 kilometers along this direction to get to some very beautiful place. 1.4 kilometers. Let me see about that. 1.4 kilometers so far. We've been riding from Nairobi to this place, over 100 and something kilometers away from home, and we just want to see how beautiful that Murang'A Gorges is. I have seen a lot of photos online about that place from other photographers, so today I want to see if I can get some good shots myself from that place. This is Murang'A County, very, very beautiful place, very peaceful. Murang'A County in central Kenya, largely inhabited by the Kuyu community. This is the country where the origin of Kuyu community is traced back. This is the country where the Kikuyu culture is traced back. Whatever you hear about Kikuyu culture, you can trace it back from this place. Hi, Wazana. You can trace it back from this county. It looks like we are getting into some jungles. Looks like some jungle. Let me see how it looks. I don't want to get lost, so let me just have 1 minute check on the map, because now when you have so many roads in the middle of nowhere, it's very easy for you to get lost and waste a lot of time. Let me see. Wait, what just happened? Very poor internet connectivity here. Yes, I'm not going this way. I'm supposed to be going to the other direction. Yes, 7 minutes. There is poor internet connectivity here, so the GPS location stuff is not actually working correctly. But I have seen the direction. It's this. Amazing, amazing. This is where I was coming to. Come on, come on. This is where I was coming to. Ooh. This is incredibly beautiful. Come on. This is a photography jackpot. No way. No way. Come on. No way. So this is what I was looking for. Look at this. The creation of the gods. Come on. Oh Lord Jesus. This place is beautiful. This place is beautiful. Murang'A Gorges. I thought it's some park of some kind you have to pay and get in or something. Need to find out. Hey. This is good. This is good. Look at this. By the time I get my Canon camera out of the bags, this place will be calling me by the name. Hey. By the time I get my Canon from the bags, this place will be calling me by the name. Let me just play around with the Samsung. Let me just play around with the Samsung. I think I have taken 1,012 photos already. Look at yourself, little dude. Very nice. Let me get this thing out of the way, because I believe we have other people who are using this place. Let me get the bike out of the way, and we can do what brought us. Oh God, thank you for this gift. This is amazing. Oh Lord Jesus, thank you for this. Thank you for this gift. This place is looking amazing. Look at this. Look at this. It looks like there's some mining going on, eh? Looks like there's some mining going on. And we go back to that jackpot. Get some good photos. This is incredibly beautiful. This is incredibly okay, wait a minute. How strong is the ground here? But I think it can't drop. Can't drop, but I don't want to take so much of unnecessary risks. We just park it there. We just park it there. Don't want to take unnecessary risks by getting so close to the edges of the gorges. Yeah, the edges of the gorges. Sounds so good. Edges of the gorges. The edges of the gorges. Yeah, so getting close to the edges of the gorges. Nice. Yeah, so now look at this. God is wonderful, and I'm using God deliberately because I know it can only take a supernatural power to get some ground to look like this. And it has been like this for years. It has been like this for years. It's not that it is today. It has been like this for years. Without those gorges breaking down, without the whole structure getting damaged, it has been raining, there has been sunlight, there has been floods and all stuff. But you can see something like this has been standing here for years. It can only take God. It can only take God to get something like this. Honestly. Let me get down with my cameras. We see what happens. Ah, this is amazing. It's amazing. Soil erosion that happened. A lot of things that happened. But we still have very, very beautiful place. Oh, yes. The famous Murang'A Gorges. The famous Murang'A Gorges. Oh! This is how the place looks like. This is how it looks like. Yeah. This is how the place looks like. Look at this. Look at the bike. Look at the bike. Ah, nice. Perfect. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm shooting on Canon Lebo T1i. This is 500D. It's a very old camera body. And I'm also shooting on a very premium lens. 24-105 ultrasonic Canon lens. Very nice lens. Gets you very, very good photos. Is all I'm shooting. Canon 500D and 24-105. I'm getting out of here with very beautiful photos, and I'm going to attach them at the end of the video. I will attach these photos at the end of the video, but you can see how incredibly beautiful this place is. Getting out of here is the drama. Getting out of here is gonna be the drama. Ah, this place is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Ah, that was nice. That was nice. That was nice.